Hey, we're back again. It is May 24th, 2024, showing you the interior and engine bay of this absolutely pristine, one owner, 1997 E420. Car's finished in black, 040 over saddle leather. Very rare, very desirable color combination. Car's got the 4.2 liter V8 engine, extremely clean, was recently serviced. All the filters and fluids are fresh on this car. It comes with every single service record from day one. Saddle interior is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Beautiful interior on this 97 W210. You'd be hard pressed to find a nicer, cleaner example. And it is a true one owner car. Comes with 2 sets of floor mats. Extremely clean car. Car was just detailed. 2-step paint correction and ceramic clear coat application. You can see it has 87,819 miles. Extremely clean. Beautiful car. One owner from new. Absolutely magnificent example of a W210, and it will be coming for auction soon on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. One owner, 1997 Mercedes-Benz E420, comes with a 275 horsepower V8. All power options, 100% functional, ice cold AC. Bose stereo system sounds fantastic. Car runs and drives magnificent. Just fully serviced. It has all brand new brakes and rotors on all 4 corners. Exceptionally clean example. Very well sorted. And it will sell to the highest bidder on Bring a Trailer as a no reserve auction. I want to wish everyone the best of luck.